To enable MEMC on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. In the settings, go to Display and Brightness, and then over here scroll all the way down to find AI Image Engine. And then we have MEMC, which can be easily enabled by tapping on the switcher on the right side. Now, in addition to that, as we can read over here, this feature works only when the video toolbox is enabled. Therefore, we need to go back to the settings. And this time we're going to go all the way down on settings to find additional settings. And then here go to floating windows, choose side toolbox, and then here we have the video toolbox. And now when we play a video, we should be able to see this toolbox. So in order to find the video toolbox, if you have the full screen enabled, then by default this sidebar is located over here, this toolbox. So we can drag it outside like this. And then we should be able to, for example, enable the upscale and go to the picture in order to find these different options. So if you have enabled MEMC, you don't really have to do anything. As long as the video toolbox is enabled, then the enhance animations, which is the MEMC, should be here enabled as well. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!